jet engine. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Thomas and Percy are best friends, and they love working on the island of Sodor. They love doing their favorite jobs. Thomas likes going on his branch line with Annie and Clarabelle. Percy loves to pull the mail. Beep, beep. One day, Thomas and Percy were in the yard. Wow, isn't it a lovely day, Thomas? Coming through. What in tarnation was that? Look out, express coming through. Look out, small freight train coming through. I like going fast to be cool. I should arrive at the station right on time. I'm the fastest engine on Sodor. And there's nothing that'll be getting in my way. Look out! Yeah! Guys, you're late. What? Plus, you could have hurt someone. Now you need to go to the steamworks to be repaired. Watching Gordon and Spencer makes me jealous. For what reason, Thomas? Because they're the fastest engines on Sodor. I wish I could be as fast as them and have an accident. Yeah, nice choice, Thomas. But still, wouldn't it be awesome? Maybe for you, but not for me. I'm not taking any chance to get into an accident. There you go. You're all fixed. Thanks, dude. Hey, boss. Did that jet engine get here earlier? Jet engine? What's a jet engine? It's some kind of engine that makes you go really fast when you turn it on. I ordered one off of eBay. It's coming tomorrow. Here's a picture of it. Cool. Hey, Victor, when this finally gets here, mind if I try it out? Sorry, Thomas, but if you use it, you can get into an accident. What? Oh, come on! Victor's right, Thomas. You could get into an accident if you use that thing. It's so unfair. Thomas, wait. I'm sorry, Thomas, but if you use it, you could get into an accident. But I really want to use it. I'm sorry, Thomas. Now get some sleep. Light bulb. Dude. Maybe I can wake up at 6 o'clock, and then when the jet engine gets here, I can go pick up the jet engine and take it out for a little spin. It's morning. Time to be faster than Gordon and Spencer. Holy dang! It's better than I thought it would be. This jet engine is aching my arm. It's so beautiful. Let's do this thing. Oh, my arm is so tired. I need to rest it. Thomas, I think I accidentally started the jet engine. Really? Thanks, dude. 3, 2, 1. Uh-oh. Blast off! Wahoo! I never had this so much fun in my life. Yippee! What was that? Oh, that was just Thomas with Victor's jet engine. Thomas with Victor's jet engine. I gotta go get Victor. So we raced off quickly. Last one to the finish line's a rotten egg. Wahoo! I did it, Mommy. I'm the fastest engine on Sodor. Wahoo! What was that? Victor, Thomas stole your jet engine. What? He stole my new jet engine? Come on, we have to catch him before he gets into an accident. You're right, let's go. Don't think you can go faster than me, Gordon, because I can beat your speed. No, I can beat your speed, Spencer. No, I can beat both your speed. Thomas is triple speed. How is he supposed supposed to go faster than us? Is it because of that jet engine he's carrying? Yeah, I think so. Not if we can go faster than him. Then the race was on. Well, it won't be safe to come up to the back of the engine. So how are we supposed to stop him then? We'll have to either get in front of him or crash him. That's our only options that we could choose. So we better pick one that's right. Well, getting in front of the generator is not a good idea because it's too fast. We'll have to crash. Well, it's worth the try. Thomas, you can't beat our speed. Actually, I can, sucker. He's too fast. I don't think we can catch him. Hey, look, there's some points right there. We can stop him by switching them. Run! I'm still the #1 engine on solar. Hey, I was having so much fun with this. Wait, didn't we forget to switch the points for Gordon and Spencer? Thomas, Gordon, Spencer, are you okay? Oh, we're fine. I guess me and Gordon are jet engines too. What the heck is going on here? Thomas stole my jet engine and got into an accident. What? The engine is probably destroyed. I guess I'll have to get a new one from off eBay. Well, Thomas, I hope you learned your lesson about using jet engines. I sure did. And now that you all crashed, you all need to go to the SeaMark to be repaired. Oh, man. The next day. Hey, Percy, I'm sorry for taking the jet engine yesterday after you told me not to. It's okay, Thomas. I forgive you. Hey, look, there's Gordon and Spencer. I should arrive at the station right on time. I'm the fastest engine on Sodor. And there's nothing that'll be getting in my way. Phew, that was close. Sorry I didn't see you there, Gordon. It's okay, I didn't see you there either. Run! Back to the Steamworks.